how to hide names on notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is go here directly to your settings and you're gonna look for the notifications. And here, as you can see, you will see notifications. Click on that. And then if you click on that, you will now have the ability to find a specific applications that you want to hide notifications, the names on your notifications. So for example, let's say messages here on messages. So let's say you want to have in the notifications but just hide the name. So we should not toggle off the allow notifications, but instead what you're going to do is here under lock screen appearance, you will see show previews. So basically, if you want the names to be hidden always, even if you open your phone or you turn off your phone, then what you're going to do is you're going to set it up to never. And basically that is it, and that is how you hide names on notifications on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.